Did you hit her at all?
Yes, we've been hitting each other. Like, she's been hitting me, and I've been hitting her back. I don't want press charges. I don't want nothing having her. She's trying to get her. I'm trying to go home. Like, I just want to go home. Can I just go home, please? I just want to go home. I'm trying to go home.
On the 28th of November, 2024, in California, officers responded to an early morning intimate partner dispute. On camera, one officer told the arrestee that California law forced his hand. That statement is not accurate.
Stop touching. Come on, let's go.
All right, tell her to stop. Damn.
Let's go.
Come over here.
Come this way.
Stop.
What happened? Come more this way. Come more this way. We're gonna stand by this car over here. So what happened?
I'm taking her home.
Okay.
She's upset. I'm trying to get her out of the car. She has some drinks. She's not. And then she's getting mad. All of a sudden, she's putting her hands on me. We start fighting.
Okay.
That's what the happening. I'm trying to go home. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I'm trying to get her in the house so I can go in the house so I can go home and leave. She keeps trying to fight me. We keep fighting each other. I keep telling her, go in the house. Go in the house. Go in the house.
What's that fight about?
She's mad. Mad. Drunk. Like,
have you been drinking too?
I drank a little bit. We were drinking in the house. Like, I'm sober. This is hours ago.
Okay. When was the last time when did you stop drinking?
I don't really drink much. Like, I just had a couple.
Where do you guys live?
She lives here. I live in.
Okay.
I'm trying to get her to get the in my car so she can go home. I'm telling her I can.
Who is she to you?
She's my friend.
She's just your friend?
Well, she's my ex-girlfriend.
Ex-girlfriend? Let me see your hands. Go like this.
Oh.
Did you hit her at all?
Yes, we've been hitting each other. Like, she's been hitting me, and I've been hitting her back. I'm trying to tell her to get out of my car so I can go home, so she can go and go to sleep.
Where is she sitting? In the front seat? Front passenger?
Yeah, this is my car. I'm sitting in the driver's seat. She's sitting in the passenger seat.
Okay.
We're fighting in the car. We're fighting out of the car. She jumped over to my driver's seat. I'm going around trying to get her out the car. I'm trying to go home. It's most in the morning. Like, I'm trying to go home. It's my Thanksgiving today, tomorrow, whatever. Trying to get her in the house so she can go. Tell her, hey, I can walk you up the stairs. I can get you in the house. She's rambling, mad about shit. And I'm just like, girl, I'm trying to get you in the house so you can go to sleep.
Do you have an ID on you? Where'd she hit you?
She's been hitting me everywhere.
I know where.
Grabbing, pulling my hair, pulling my ball spot right here. She pulled it out with her teeth. I've been pulling her hair.
Put your head down. Okay.
I don't know. It was like right here. Like,
I see it on your face. You got some scratches on your face. Sorry, I don't mean to get in your eye.
it's like, I don't want police here. I don't want press charges. I don't want nothing having her. She's trying to get her in the I'm trying to go home. Like, I just want to go home. Sorry.
Do you mind just running it?
Yeah.
What happened? I know you probably told them everything, but what happened?
Okay, so we're drinking and smoking. We came back so you can drop me off. We're not like the best relationship right now. We're trying to get off the car. And she's fighting me. I'm fighting her. I'm just trying to go.
What started? Alright. What started this whole thing?
I think at this point, at the end of the day, it was the alcohol and her grabbing me and me grabbing her. It's like, okay, if you drop me off the car, then I'm gonna drag you back on.
Okay, first.
I'm not gonna do that. It was at that point both of us. Honestly, like, I'm not gonna do that to her. I do not.
You don't have an ID on you?
No.
Do you have anything on you in the car?
No, it's in the other car.
It's gonna be a double offense.
Damn. What?
Look your tool file. Here's it. Here's this thing. Whenever this happens, we take pictures of the injuries. So if you want to just check. Look up.
Wait, look up like this?
Yeah. Look at your face.
Like this?
Yep. Your hands.
Alright, do me a favor. You're going to put your hand on my neck.
Wait, why?
You guys are both being arrested for domestic battery, okay?
Wait. Wait. Wait.
This is how it goes with domestic. If you guys fight, right? If we come here and there's physical injuries mandated by the Breach Committee, we have to arrest them. There's no choice.
Do I have to go to jail? Like, come on, I'm trying to go home. Like, I just want to go home, dude. So wait, what about my car? Can I call somebody to get my car? Or can I turn it off? Oh, it's off. Can I turn off the light?
You know what? We're going to have one of these officers if you're okay with it. Otherwise, it's going to get towed because you're in the middle of an alley. We can have it. Park on the street. Okay?
Can I just...
Okay? That's your option. It gets towed or one of our officers who parks it on the street, okay?
California is not a mandatory arrest state for domestic violence. It is a mandatory response state with a strong preference for arrest. Under California Penal Code Section 836, subsection C, paragraph 1, officers may make a warrantless arrest upon probable cause. The word may is doing critical work here. The statute authorizes arrest. It does not compel it. When both parties bear injuries, Section 13701, subsection B, controls the analysis. That statute requires every California agency to adopt a written policy that expressly discourages dual arrests. Instead, officers must identify what the statute calls the dominant aggressor by applying 4 codified factors. Factor 1, whether either party acted with the intent to protect themselves or another person from harm. Factor 2, whether one party's threats created a reasonable fear of physical injury in the other. Factor 3, any prior history of domestic violence between the parties, if that history is known to police. Factor 4, the relative severity of the injuries actually sustained by each party during the incident. Notably, the dominant aggressor is not necessarily the party who struck first during the confrontation. It is the party whose overall conduct posed the greater threat within the encounter. On the substantive charge, California Penal Code Section 273.5 governs. It criminalizes the willful infliction of corporal injury on a spouse, cohabitant, or dating partner. It is a wobbler, chargeable as either a felony or a misdemeanor depending on injury severity and prior record. On the Fifth Amendment question, the pre-warning admissions here were volunteered during a roadside investigation. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, decided in 1984, such statements are generally admissible without a Miranda warning. Custodial interrogation, and therefore Miranda protection, attaches only when a reasonable person would feel unable to leave.
You're not going to get a ticket on the street.
Take a deep breath, we're going to walk right.
Let's get out of the cold, let's get you in the car, and we get talking now, okay?
Can I just go home, please?
That's not an option.
I just want to go home. I've been trying to go home. Wait, can I see my phone?
Where's your phone at?
It's in the car. I want to look, please.
You're not going to be able to look.
I'm gonna grab it.
What the?
The car now.
Oh. Oh my God,
Alright, before I put you in my car, please you have to state your compensation. Okay? Is there anything that's gonna hurt Mr. McCarty?
I don't think so. My
Be careful.
before that, okay.
Is it the car keys? Alright, so what's our solution here? Are we gonna tow it, or are you gonna let someone park it on the street for you?
Can you tow it to my house?
It's going to
If
the impound lot.
it's gonna go to our tow yard.
Okay,
And then
but
you're gonna
what
have
about
a nice
my...
tow bill. And I doubt you want that.
No. Okay, what about my keys and stuff?
We're gonna give you your keys right back. He's gonna park it on the street, and I'm gonna give you the keys. So you're just gonna have to, whoever picks you up, ask them to bring you back to pick up your car.
Okay.
Okay.
So how does this process go?
You're going to have time to talk about it.
Explain all that, but first we gotta figure out your car situation. Because you have to give us permission to get in your car and park it. Okay?
Can one of her family members in my car? They can drive it to my house.
That's fine if there's somebody that we can give a key to.
Yes,
They can come pick it up at the station.
Wait, okay.
Yeah, they can pick up the keys at the station if that's what you want.
No, can they drive the car to my house?
Alright.
We're going to do one thing at a time, okay? See the wallet in here?
Y'all have tissue or anything?
At the station. Go ahead, please. Want your car? It's deep.
Wait, can you help me?
Lean forward. Not even a 2 minute. That's fine. We'll grab it. See if I can find her phone for her. Sorry. I got your phone for you, okay?
The responding officer receives a grade of B for competent procedural work, injury photography, and non-escalatory tone. The grade is not higher because the dominant-aggressor analysis is not audibly performed on the record before us. The male subject receives a grade of D+ for volunteering a full confession to mutual battery without counsel. The female subject receives a grade of D for corroborating that confession and admitting to physical grappling. 3 lessons emerge from this footage. First, on-scene police shorthand is not legal precision. The phrase "we have to" often means we are authorized to and strongly expected to under agency policy. Second, in California, mutual injury does not equal mutual arrest. The dominant-aggressor analysis is legally required. Third, admissions made before Miranda during a roadside investigation are almost always admissible in court. Silence, respectful, and unambiguous is the single most protective right a citizen possesses at a domestic violence scene. Let us know in the comments what interaction you would like us to examine next, and subscribe for more legal analysis.